now that we have the front bumper off, let's explain what we're doing with this. So what we did was we removed the center grille part because of all the air, the lines and the just the restrictive part of it was causing not enough air to get inside to the radiator and coolers. So we removed that completely to allow maximum airflow through there. And then also we did the same with the kidney grills as well. We removed those and then cut out the areas around here where it used to be. So we'll sand that all down and repaint it after. And this is to allow more air to get into the radiator again. And also we're adding in ram ducts underneath the kidney grills here to allow more air to get actually inside. And I'll show you those in a bit. And we're also removing the sides here where the fog light and another filler piece used to be. So right now this is causing too much air to get stuck in this cavity here. So what we're gonna do is remove the fog light and the filler piece that was here, and we're gonna be adding a piece of sheet metal across here, aluminum, across here, so that way the air can go smoothly across the end here. So we're not getting any drag coming from there, and all the air is basically forced into there. So what we did first was made a template to cover this area. So this is gonna go on the outside like this, like so. It's gonna go like that, and we're just gonna rivet it on. So that's gonna go like that. It's hard to do it with one hand. So that goes there, and then luckily just flip it over and vice versa on the other side. So that's cut out of cardboard first, and then we take our pieces and we trace it out on the aluminum there, so that way the cardboard we waste, not the aluminum. Now we have one other piece that we want to add, and this is going to be the air duct ram. So this gets all folded up and placed inside here. I can do this with one hand. So essentially, it's a little tough with one hand, but essentially what we're looking at is this, except once it's all folded up, it sits nicer up inside there. So that way, this can get more air into the ram air duct up here, and then into the intake and into the engine. So this is going to be only about halfway like that, so that way we're not losing our air going into the radiator. So we'll have enough for the air to go in through here, but still have maximum amount for the radiator as well. And then after that, once we get that all sorted out, we are going to do the chassis mounted front splitter. Now with this, it's going to be a lot longer of a process. So we're just going to get with this first. And then we're also going to do the chassis mount front splitter. And then we'll also work on doing the air ducts for the brakes as well. So lots of work on the agenda. So let's just do some time-lapse videos of me doing the work.